Yes, am I audible, ma'am?
You are audible and visible also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Very good evening. I am pretty fine. What's about you?
Yeah, I am doing great. Now we are meeting first time. Could you introduce yourself so that people can know about
Yeah,
you?
sure. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Anjana and I am connecting to you from UP, District Farrukhabad. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my post graduation in English literature from Kanpur University. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love teaching, listening music. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel. Its name is Anjana's Educational Videos. I'm very amiable person and I believe in hard work and consistency. That's it.
Oh, that's very great, ma'am. What I know about you. So it's my turn. So shall I introduce myself?
Sure,
Yeah,
definitely.
ma'am. Thank you for this golden opportunity. My name is Santosh Kumar and I am from UP, district Lakhimpur. By profession, I am an English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. As far as my hobbies concerned, my hobbies are reading different types of religious books like Gita, Quran, Bible, etc. And having conversation with different types of people is my also hobby. Apart from this, I have started YouTube channel that name is English Spoken with Glacier, where I upload English content video so that people can learn this language very easily. So that's all little bit about us. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Mhm. Very good.
So, ma'am, I think do you have any topic on which topic would you like to have conversation with me or general? So please let me know.
Yeah, if you want to talk in any topic, so we can discuss about confidence.
So, ma'am, as you know, I have a little bit a small topic and a few questions. And being a teacher, so I would like to ask you a few easy questions, which will definitely help
Yeah.
my viewers when they share this type of conversation video. So, ma'am, what is the most important for learning this language, and how can a person learn this language in a easy way? And what is your suggestion? Because I think most of the people using different types of application
Yeah,
and they
sure.
join different types of coaching and they try to many activity they try to do many activity, but finally they are not satisfied.
Yeah.
But so please tell me a easiest way so that people can learn this type of language. And so please now it's your turn. How can a people learn this beautiful language? Because you are an experienced full teacher, as you told me.
Yeah, I'm not so great teacher. I'm also an English learner. That's why I'm running my YouTube channel. I daily practice with co-learner. That's how I learn, and others can also learn. Yeah. But I got
Yeah,
your points, and I agree with you as you are saying that there are many people that they are taking classes, but they are not able to speak English, right? And they
yeah,
are
yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
anxious. Yes, they are very anxious that if they are wasting their money, so how are they not getting good results? Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
first
yeah.
of all, we should think that English is a language. Like Hindi is our mother tongue, Hindi is a language, and English is also a language. So
Yeah. Right.
when we think about Hindi, we feel very easy to speak in Hindi because since our
Yes,
childhood
yes,
we have been learning this language. We have been listening
yes,
continuously, and that's how we are
yes,
able to speak. So in the same
yes.
way, if you want to learn English, so if you listen English as much as possible, so it's
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah,
experience that you would be able to speak very well because if
yeah,
I talk about reading and writing, so since
yeah,
our childhood we always write and read English, but we are
yeah,
not able to speak, right? Because speaking
yeah,
is different kind of strategy, and writing is
yeah,
different. Speaking is different kind of activity and writing is different kind of activity. So for
yeah,
speaking any language, listening is the most powerful thing, right?
yeah,
Like if you want to speak in Punjabi, so you know that
yeah,
how to pronounce this Punjabi words. So in the same way, you can
yeah,
also speak. If you want to speak Hindi, so if you know that these are the Hindi words, these are the Hindi sentences, and if you are listening by others, so you can also speak like that. In the same way, if you want to learn English, so today, we are lucky that we are connected with social media, so there are so many platform on YouTube channel. We can listen
Yeah.
English. After that, we can also imitate that words or sentences, and we can speak very well. So I always focus most of the time. I always focus that listen English very much and try to speak. And
Speak. Yeah.
speaking is also, one of the most important part for learning this language. What
Yeah.
person
Yeah.
do that they are joining, spoken classes, they are listening English,
Yeah.
but they are not practicing. They are not speaking. So how can you
Yeah.
learn this language? If there is
Yeah.
no one, there is no teacher, still you can speak. You can do speaking practice, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever you are listening, like if you are learning English, so whatever you are listening, just speak all those things, do practice daily, so this is how you can learn very easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because, ma'am, there is no one great after before birth. No one is great.
Yes.
So I think every person, after taking birth, what he wanted to achieve in his life, it's totally depend on his liking. So I think
Of course.
very yeah, yeah, it's a
Hmm.
very nice part. You
Yes.
explained very well, ma'am. I thank
Hmm.
you.
I
Yeah,
support always, practice, like uh,
yeah,
lack of practice, people are not doing well. They are not able to understand this language, they are not able to speak this language because they are not giving time for practicing, right? So practice is most important thing.
yeah. So, ma'am, would you like to have any questions? So
Yeah.
I like to answer ask your questions. If you have any type of questions, now you can ask me.
Yeah. So if as we are talking about, language, that how
Yeah,
can we learn this language very easily. So I would
yeah,
like to know from you that how much writing, what is your opinion about writing? That most of the time it is said
yeah,
that if you write English, so you can learn also very easily. So what is your
yeah,
points that how much
yeah,
writing is
yeah, yes.
effectable?
Yes, yes. According to you, you wanted to ask me how much writing is very important for
Yes.
grow language. Any type of
Yes.
language, it's depend you whether are you try to learn English or Hindi, any language. So I think writing plays a very important role. If we start writing at a time, our mind is constructed. I think get full concentration.
Yes.
At a time, all types of thoughts come and you express your thoughts while writing. So this is the very good, way to improve your speaking and express your thoughts. So writing plays very important role. If we try to learn anything else after writing, so it can give you double result.
Yeah.
Suppose that
Sure.
I would like to give you example. Your exam will take place tomorrow, and you need to prepare 10 questions. So
Hmm.
if we learn after writing 10 questions each, one
Hmm.
by one, at a time you can get double result tomorrow.
Yeah.
And if we only simply recall, so at a time you only recall, and when you will appear in the examination, at a time I think most of the things you forgot.
Hmm.
So I would like to strongly recommend my all students and one who watching this video right now that always learn with the help of writing. Start writing
Yeah.
anything you wanted to any whether it can be song if you wanted to complete your song or anything else. First
Yeah.
try to write because writing give you more confidence to learn any type of things, and it can also improve your writing will also improve you when you write down in
Yeah.
any type of things.
Hmm. So I agree with your points. You are saying right. You know what happens that if we talk in our Hindi language, okay, like we feel very easy with Hindi language. But if we discuss
yeah,
on any topic on Hindi language, so I
yeah,
always know that we are, always good at writing. If we write on any topic in Hindi, so we will feel very good and easy.
yeah,
But
very
if we talk
comfortable. Yes,
about, like, speak about that topic, so we don't get ideas, instead in
yeah,
that
yeah,
time, exact time, right?
yeah, yeah.
So when
And
we
why this
write,
ma'am?
we have lot
Yes,
of ideas. Hmm. That's
and
why
why
writing is.
ma'am? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why ma'am this happened? Because I think since childhood we have been speaking face to face with anyone, and we are very habitual and we are very excellent to speak Hindi language in our motherland, mother tongue, and we never try to speak any language like English or any language. So that's why it happen. And when we start writing and start writing our points before speaking on any types of topic, so most of the thoughts while writing at that time cultivate in our mind. So it is
Yes,
very
yes.
essential too.
Mhm. That's why writing is also, pillar of learning this language. Like, if we talk about,
So
there are four pillars, so writing is most compulsory. Mhm.
yes, ma'am, I have a next question and it's a very easy for you. So I hope that you will answer my questions.
Sure.
Why why most of the people feel afraid while speaking English, and what things make him?
Yeah, sure. You are saying right. Even when I started speaking this language, so I used to
Yeah,
have fear when I used to
yeah,
speak with co-learner or any new personality. So I used to get stuck. I used to forget some words while speaking,
yeah,
because we are not habitual of speaking of this language.
yeah,
We
yeah,
don't have good practice over this language. That's why. And
yeah,
we always, listen Hindi. We always speak Hindi, so we feel very
yeah,
easy with our mother tongue. But when we
yeah,
talk about English, so it's our second language. It's not our
yeah,
mother tongue. That's why we
yeah,
take time to understand this language, to
yeah.
speak English. So in initial days, everyone feel hesitation, and this
Irritation,
everyone
but
has
gradually,
fear. Everyone has
yeah,
fear. So I always think that if you have fear, if you have hesitation, so keep one side all those things. Focus on your
yeah,
confidence and just speak
confident,
whatever is coming in your mind. Don't focus on your
yeah, yeah,
mistakes, hesitation, fear.
yeah,
Even we
yeah,
have
yeah,
all these points. If we all have this kind of feeling in inside, but don't
yeah,
focus
yeah.
on that things. Only speak whatever you are thinking. Don't think about others, that they
Whether
will make
yes,
fun of us,
right
they
and
will
wrong,
judge
yes,
us. Yeah,
yes,
that's how we
yeah.
can fight from these negativity, right?
Yes, yes. But when you start speaking English, slowly but gradually you will improve, and
Sure, sure.
those people will be back when who never tried to go ahead.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think I got your point, every
yeah.
point. I am very satisfied with your, you very well explained, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
So
Thank you. Yeah.
because
So
I think you have a lot of experience, so I think
yeah,
you explained very well.
whatever I'm telling to you, it's from my experience. I have
Yeah,
experienced it. That's why
yeah.
I am able to tell. Hmm.
Yeah, yes. The same way I also teach to the students in the class, and the people one who like me most, I also give this type of suggestion as you told me, Arab. So
Yeah,
this is very strong suggestion for each and everyone. I think it is the work of the people. They will continue say whether you speak or not, whether you success or not. I think it is the work of the people. So I think let them work and do your
yeah,
work. And what's your goal? Look only towards your goal.
yeah.
Don't think
Be
much about the
deep,
problem of the people.
be deep,
People will
be deep
laugh. I
than any.
yeah, yeah. Ma'am, let me complete first. People will laugh whether you get success or not. It is the work
Yeah,
of people.
yes,
If you achieve any hiring, still people laugh, and if you
of
fail,
course.
I think so. Don't worry about the people. Don't judge the people. Keep
Hmm.
focusing on your goal, towards the goal. Am I right,
Sure.
ma'am?
Yeah, sure. I agree with your points. I always
Yeah,
think so. When I was little, that time I didn't think so. But
yeah,
now my all thinking has been changed, because most of the time I listen motivational speakers. So I have this type
yeah,
of
yeah.
experience that
Right.
focus on your work. Don't think about others. If you will
About the
focus
others,
on
yeah.
others more and more, you will never get success.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. I
and
think
never feel demotivated and never go backwards. Always try to
yeah,
go
yeah.
forward.
So, ma'am, I think it's a very wonderful session going on, and because now I am very happy because you are sharing your beautiful experience, what you have got from your life. So really, I think you are very praiseworthy. You are praiseworthy.
Okay. This is your greatness. I'm nothing.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm,
I'm also a
Ma'am,
learner.
I, yeah, I would like to take you 1 or 2 minutes. You know, ma'am. First, we are human beings,
Yeah.
so we can do anything that I want and you want.
Of
So
course.
first, you will have to a burning desire.
Sure.
Nothing is impossible in the world. Everything is possible, but do not think towards the problem. You need to think
Yes.
towards the solution. Every problem has a solution, and every goal has a way.
Of course.
But I think in which directions you wanted to see yourself in the future. That's total depend on you.
Very good.
Am I right, ma'am?
Yes,
So
I
I think I
agree.
am not yes, I am not talking about the learning English language. I think if you wanted to change your life, so first change yourself.
Of course. Of course. No one will come
Yeah,
and take your hand that go here and there. It's our responsibility that
yes,
where I want to go. So we
yes,
have to change ourselves. We have to power of self control. So if you can control
yes.
yourself, you can control all over the world. You know?
When I was a child, ma'am, I would like to tell you a little bit our past memories. When I was child, at a time, people used to laugh me. Oh, you want to learn this language and you want to become an Englishman. So today I am a live example for them. Now they will be more happy to see me
Mhm.
because now I am by grace of God I am able to speak English. But slowly because I am keep on trying and I know where is my target, I know where is my victory, and I wanna where I wanna to go. So today I am very happy that we have got this type of opportunity from your side.
Yeah, sure. It's my pleasure too.
Yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, ask me anything else.
And I think it's enough for today. We can discuss any other day.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, thank you, ma'am, and I hope that in future I would like to reconnect with you. And
Yeah, sure.
there are many things which is going on in my mind. I wanted to share those things in next sessions. And
Of
so
course.
thank you, ma'am.